Today I will be walking through the MFKC 700 EB. This is the cordless version of the existing corded MFK 700 that allows you to utilize various 1/4 inch and 8mm bits for rounding, trimming, chamfering, grooving, and detailed edge work. Let's start with the router base. The wide base gives you an excellent control and stability when routing vertically or horizontally. The durable hard fiber base prevents scratches and dents while gliding over any surface. A threaded ring around the opening allows you to attach copy rings. Reference points on each side of the base allow you to see exactly where the bit is located for convenience. The two knobs here allow you to connect guide rods for the edge guide accessory. On this side is the knob that secures and releases the router base from the machine. This is the grain routing depth setting knob, and it allows you to precisely adjust the depth of the bit by 256 of an inch or 1/10 of a millimeter. Next to the depth setting knob and on the other side of the motor are the routing depth locking mechanism knobs that can be tightened to secure the desired routing depth. This knob also doubles as a gripping surface when routing for greater control. The spindle lock here allows you to change out bits and collets. On the opposite side of the spindle lock, you will see 4 threaded holes that allow you to attach a bearing set accessory when working with the 0 and the 1.5 degree horizontal router bases. The off and on switch is located to the side here. And as we move up, you will notice the angled battery slot. This ergonomical design gives the edge router an excellent center of gravity for comfortable vertical and horizontal use. The MFKC 700 pairs best with compact batteries like the 4.0 TBX. Above the battery slot is a speed control dial that provides adjustable RPM control to better suit different materials being routed to help prevent scorch marks. The MFKC 700 comes with both a 1/4 and an 8mm collet and a collet wrench. To learn more, visit us online or stop by your local authorized Festool dealer.